Guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video we're going to be seeing how we can deal with HTTP custom VPN application on an Android device, iPhone and Windows. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, don't forget to share this video to your friend. So I start up the tutorial. So the first step in this video we're going to be opening the Google Play Store, and we go right to the search bar here and we search for our VPN application, which is HTTP Custom. Remember, this week I'm going to be dealing with only HTTP Custom VPN application and other VPN application because HTTP Custom is now booming up. So open your VPN application, then it will be looking like this initially after installing it on your mobile device. So we are going to create a UDP Custom Server. In this case, I'm going to go to place my back, and then I go to Google Chrome. Then if I open Google Chrome, I'm going to go where we search from right here. Then I type in SSH Ocean. Then I search. If I search, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this video to your friend. Don't forget to like this video, because once you like this video, it will reach more friends of ours even without sharing. Sharing is caring. So open the first web page and then wait for a few moments. Then we are going to go right here on those three dashes. Then we are coming right here where we have services. Then I'm going to go where I have the SS UDP Custom. Then I'm going to go scrolling down, and then I'm going to be seeing the servers. I have a server from French, I have a server from German and many other countries, but you as my subscriber, I have given you freedom to choose any of those servers because they are all active. I'm going to choose from United Kingdom. I'm going to come to scroll down, and then I'm going to first check the server status to see whether it's online, and then the accounts remaining, whether I can create one. There are 7 accounts remain. That means I'm lucky. I'm going to go where we have get started. Don't skip the video, because once you skip, you may miss out important events. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, share this video to your friend, and don't forget to press that like button down there. Let me get started with the VPN application. Then I'm going to scroll down, and then I'm going to come where we have the username, and then I type in my username. Let me reload the page because I don't know what's happening. I'm going to scroll down where we have the username. The username, why is it not happening? The username I'm going to use Miles Tech 12, and then the password I'll type in 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and then I'm going to go where we have get started. Then I'm going to wait for a few moments for our UDP custom account to be created. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to share this video to your friend. Then our account has been successfully created. So come right here where I have copy to HC, and then we have that. Then here we have created the UDP custom account. So I'm going back where we have the application. I'm going to go here, and then I open the application. Then I'm going to go here, and then I paste. Then I'm going to come right here, and then I activate. Then I'm coming right there, and then I click on the 3 dots. Then I come, I'm going to come right here, Then I'm going to be setting the SS compress. Then I'm going to go back right there, and then I'm going to go where we have the utility. Then in the utility I'm going to auto ping. Then I'm going to go back where we have the utility. Then I'm going to go auto IP enter, and then utility we have the enable log DP. Then also utility we are going to activate what I'm activating, only what I'm activating, direct proxy, and then I will allow a VPN service. So let us now chase our dream to this site. Then I place that one. Then I'm going to come where we have the DNS custom right here. Then I'm going to set the DNS custom to 8 to 8 to 8 to 8. Then this one to 8 to 8 to 4 to 4. Then I apply. Then I'm going to come where I have the UDP, that one. Let me direct you where I'm going, that site. Then I'm coming right here, UDP SS. Here I'm going to put in 5200. I apply. Then I'm going to go back where we have this one. Then I'm going to come and I'm going to scroll. Then I'm going to go where we have the SS settings. Then I'm going to come right here again. Then I'm going to go where we have the VPN settings. Then I'm going to come where I have at this page. Then you go where you have the update configuration, and then up to end it as that option. Then I'm going to go back. We have the SS settings, and then I'm going to come also right. Sorry for that. I'm coming right here. Then I'm going to come right here where we have the response checker right here. Then I'm going to put in my host www. Put in your country's host, but for me I won't put in any host because this video I'm doing it for all countries. But if you have a host, an SNI host, you can put it right there, and then you go back. Then I'm going to come right here where we have the connect, and then I press the connect. Then if it says direct proxy is running, we're going to come right here. We're going to come right here where we have the direct proxy. It was here. The direct proxy was here. That is SS complex. We have the utility. We're going to deactivate the direct proxy. Then we connect our VPN application again. We're going to wait for a few moments until we see that the VPN application has been connected successfully. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this with your friend. I remain Marius Tech, and I sign out.